Look at Marty just keep right on going. He must not be scared of the bees. You think after his experience with the bees in the cemetery, in the Aurora Cemetery, he'd be a little bit more cautious. But that's Marty. Hey sightseers, Sightseeing Sally here, and Marty dirted me out. He disappeared. Anywho, oh, checking out the bridge to nowhere here just outside of Yuma, Arizona. How cool is that? This thing spans, oh, I don't know, across a gully, a gulch, a divot in the earth. For how far, I don't know, but it ends up bringing you to nowhere. Do you think that the bridge to nowhere really goes nowhere? Come on, let's go find out. Well, it appears that the bridge to nowhere really does lead to nowhere. Now that's a bummer. I was really hoping we could walk across this thing, but you see the signs, no trespassing. But obviously that hasn't stopped the graffiti gang from coming down here and graffitiing it all up. I'm still waiting for those killer bees to come out. If you look out there, you can see the huge guy wires out there holding this thing in place. It's pretty amazing that this is still here. Not really sure why or how it came to be, but as I said, it does seem to lead to nowhere. If you look real close, etched in the cement, you can see the name of the bridge. It's McPhaul Bridge. And McPhaul is spelled M-C and then P-H-A-U-L. Yeah, I went to school, I can spell. I know I'm being a bit of a smarty pants, but I thought I'd spell it out for you in case you can't read exactly what it says. Anyways, we thought it'd be something that we could actually walk across, but unfortunately they've got it all barricaded off and they don't want anybody going near it. As you can see though, some of us are being a little bit more daring than most. I always find it interesting to read the graffiti. So the original graffiti says, "My lover Mike." That's somebody painted over in pink, and it now says, "My lover Emily." And then over on this side, it says, "My darling Kay." As exciting as that was to be breaking the law, I think it's time we boogie on out of here. Well, here comes Marty now. Ready to make our getaway?
Yep. You were trespassing?
Shh, don't tell anybody. As it turned out, we found a road that actually goes underneath the bridge to nowhere. Come on, let's go check it out. See? In the background you can hear gunshots. I'm pretty sure there's a shooting range over in that direction. This is just the weirdest thing. This bridge just spans this area and leads to nowhere. What are you doing over there? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So that's the big cam that actually holds the cables tight for this bridge. Wow, pretty impressive. Oh, and never mind, there's a Coors Light can right in the corner. The bridge to nowhere actually leads to this. We followed the road and came out on the other side. Apparently they don't care about trespassing on this side of the bridge, because there's no signs posted. Marty, you gonna climb up on that thing?
Usually you could, you'd climb right around and climb through, but I'm getting too old and stupid. I'll end up falling and hurting myself. Here you see some of the cables in here are getting rotting and breaking off. That's probably why they shut this bridge down. A lot of them are broke.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too safe now, would it?
Scary.
Let's ride. If you enjoyed the vid, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. They are free. If you haven't subscribed to my awesome YouTube channel, make sure you do so now, and make sure you hit the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future vids. Until next time, this is Sightseeing Sally. Special thanks goes out to all our fellow sightseers here on Patreon and PayPal. Without you, these videos wouldn't be possible.